Yeah, I'm about to assemble the HUGROVE, HUGROVE gasoline high pressure washer. Yeah, I ordered it from Walmart. Yeah, good price too. Yeah, good quality. Very good quality. Yeah. I guess this is the. I guess yes, that's the tips. The spray tips. You know, for it. It's still in the bag. Got the wand right here. The wheels I have to put on. And what's this over here? What's this? Oh, this must be the soap thing in the filter. I'm not sure, but I'll look into it though. And we also have this wrench to use, I guess, to tighten the wheels up or whatever. So that's a good thing. It comes with its own tools. And I have a little box in here that I gotta look and see what's in that. Let's see. But I'm holding the phone, so I'm gonna I'll set it up here, just like that. Okay, I got this little box open. Let's see what's in here. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, this is the wand holder that you place on the bar of the pressure washer right here. They got a wrench, size 17 and 14 millimeter wrench, which is good, useful. Got a screwdriver. Okay, you got Phillips head on this side, flat head on this side. Cool. Good to have. Set that over there. I got the screws to go with it. Okay, screws. What's this? Okay, this must be for the wheels right here. Yeah, this is the wheels. Connect the wheels. Got a little nut you put in there. And I guess you pop it in. You push this down as a push button, kind of pop in. Then you just bolt the wheels down. I'm guessing that's how it goes. That seems like the only logical way it can work. You got your Allen key, Allen wrench, and this right here. This is like a quick connect piece. Okay. Okay, let's get started. See what we got here. Alright, first of all, I'm gonna try to attach these wheels. I was looking through the manual to see if they had any assembly instructions, but I don't see any. That's crazy. I guess it's so easy to assemble that you can do it yourself. You don't need instructions. I don't know, but it's crazy though. But they do talk about, let's see, the hazards. Read the instructions. The instruction manual contains special messages to draw attention to safety issues, possible damage to the appliance, and useful information about operation and maintenance of the appliance. It is suggested to read all of the information carefully to avoid bodily injury and damage to the appliance. Okay, wear headgear, hand protection, boots. Oh, no basic stuff like that. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, they don't have it up yet. So I guess it must be that simple. Let's go try to put these wheels on. Oh, also has a oil funnel, which is cool. Yeah, so that's what you do. You have right here, you got a hole right there that this push button slides into. Yeah. See, put that there right. There you go. And that's how the wheel hook up like that. Then you just take this, take the wheel, set it right like this, and screw it in. Simple as that. Piece of cake. Yeah. Tighten that down. I guess that's what this is for. The wheels. No, it's not this one. This one. Before I screw this part on, I'm gonna just let y'all get a good look at it. All around look at it. Yeah. Got a little gas. Before I attach this this nozzle, pressure nozzle piece on, I'm gonna put the hose, what do you call this shit? The hose. Where you wrap the hose around the hose thing on first. And that's what this is right here. Hose holder. Like just like that. Stick in. And it came with 4 screws. The big screws y'all saw earlier. I got smaller screws to go with it as well. There you go. There were 3 of them. Yeah, these 4 screws goes in these holes right there. Screwdriver. Well, here it is, fully assembled. The HUGROVE gasoline high pressure washer. Overall, I can say that I like it. But I still got to get gasoline and put oil in it. But other than that, it looks nice. But the thing I don't like about it is this holder, wand holder. Look at that. It's not that good, not stable. Yeah. It slips easily. See this wand holder slips real easy. Not it just look at that. It don't hold as good as it should. This I know this because I used to work for a rental company, rentals, trainer rentals. So I used to work with pressure washers, lawnmowers every day. Servicing them and stuff. Checking the oil and the filter and all that stuff. The air filter. This is right here. Let's push this right. We got the air filter right here. But one thing I learned about this by working for the telerentals is that when your air filter get dirty, all you gotta do is just soak in water in the sink, wash it off, let it dry, and just put it back in. It'd be just like brand new. Okay, all right, it's fully assembled now. Okay, here we have the HUGROVE gasoline high pressure washer. Yeah, like I say, so far so good. The only thing I don't like about this pressure washer is the handle holder. The holders for the wand. It's not, it's not good. Yeah, but I probably end up rigging that up somehow, fixing it, making it better. And the hose is okay, but I'm eventually, this is a 25-foot hose. Eventually, I'm gonna have to get something more durable and longer. But for right now, the service purpose. Yeah. So to start this thing, what you have to do, I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see. You guys can see. Move this out of the way because it's not holding up good. But you turn this as an on and off switch right here. Put it on the on position. Then you go around this side of it. Front. And right here you want to cut your gas on. Then your choke is off. Put your gas on. Put your choke on. Okay, let's see. Gas and choke. Okay, yeah, then after you do that, pull this right here, like, you know, just pull it. But I'm not going to use it today, or right now, because I still have to get gasoline for it. Yeah, get gasoline. The gasoline got the little filter thing for the gasoline. It's cool. Got the oil, where you put your oil at, right here. Yeah, the oil, okay, let's see. Yeah, it got a little oil in it, but I'm gonna have to eventually get more. Yeah. So I could start it up. I'm gonna start it up, see what happens. Could start up, there's some oil in it. Now I don't want to mess it up. And plus I don't got no gas, so I can't start it up anyway. Yeah, so that's it for that. For the next video, I'm wash my own house and see how this thing really work in action. But until then, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Have a blessed day, blessed life. Positivity always overcome negativity. You guys take care. Bye.